Have y'all seen me pick a brush up? Have you seen me put any products in this hair? No, not at all. So if I can do it, you can do it. My job is to show you all the potential that the wig has. This is one of my Diane Carroll specials. I now, instead of putting the solution in the hair, I'm going to put it on my hands. Okay, moisten my hands just a little bit. I'm going to take this to the back. I'm prepping the wig. I'm getting her able to maneuver how I want this wig to look and lay. This is another wig that is absolutely gorgeous. Look how pretty that side is. Become so deliberate and have the audacity to level up your look. Take your look to another level. Why? Are you feeling lumpy? Are you feeling grumpy? Are you feeling like dull, like you stuck? This little girl is going to make it right for you. I promise. She's easy to take care of. Now watch this. You can tell me that nothing about this wig. Number one, I still ain't combed her. That's number one. I still haven't combed her. She is wig 310. If you get her online, this is an online call, okay? 248-546-4247. That's for quick, you know, because we don't have a lot. So if you just want it, say I don't need no discount because $39.99 ain't bad. I want my wig. Claim your wig, babe. Even if you're watching the replay, claim your wig. Because sometimes people call, the cars don't go through, whatever. So still give us a call because they still may be available, okay? So come on, let's get some style going. Let's get some potential going. I'm going to take this little girl and I'm going to pull her to the side because I like deep parts. Because, honey, I intentionally get up to not only look my best and feel my best, but to do my best and be my best. Now, look at that side. Look at there. Look at there. Look how long that lays down. Look how chic. I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull it over to the side like this. So you got this whole little pretty little thing right there. See, I'm playing with you because I ain't combed that yet. Now let's take this to another level. Let's elevate it. So how do we elevate it? We take our wide tooth comb. We're going to put a little bit of laminate. Okay. I've never done this. Let's do this. Let's take both sides. Let's see what it looks like if we did both sides. Look at there. Look at it. Look how bad that is. So if you don't like a lot of hair, if you get heated up, because the Lord has blessed you in this season, so you have little private summers, you're going through that private little situation. Look at this. There's nothing about this wig you can tell me that is not cute. This is so adorable. This is jet black. Okay. Now let's get another look. Let's see if we can get another look out of this. You're going to take your wig and you're going to pull down like this. What am I doing? I'm causing those layers to pop out. Rhonda said, girl, that is cute. She cute, Antonia. She ready, right? Okay, she ready. So now look, showed you look number one. Now let's look at number two. Let's pull it back down again. Let's let this part come down like this. Ooh, woo. I'm going to take this little part because I can tell she's stubborn. So if a piece keeps flapping in your face, let me show you how to fix that. You're going to take a small tooth comb. You're going to spread it out and take it all the way to the back, okay? Once you have it all the way to the back, you're going to get a little bit of spray. Not strong. You don't want strong. You want a light spray. Ooh, baby doll. That is some kind of pretty. Now, Joyce, look at this. Before I move on, that's another look. Y'all was not ready. If you want to pop this side up like this, that's another look. Girl, bye. What? Bam, honey. This little girl is, she doing just what she was created to do. Make you look good. Now, this is another color. The black comes in the black comes $39.99. When it comes with color, this is a $27.30. So that means you got some blonde and some strawberry blind highlight. Okay, now look, let's get that back situated first, okay? Very first thing you're going to do is swing it down. You're going to bring this to the side on your right and down on your left. Look how natural that look, right? Now, let's get the other side situated. Does this wig come with wig ear tabs? No, it doesn't, but don't panic, because remember, if the wig tabs is not on the hair, the comb is going to help you to center the wig where it actually goes, okay? But once you get the wig where it goes, now you can start the creativity. We have it in jet black, 1B. We have this 2730, okay? Now, I got my Y2 comb. I take my solution. For those that are just tuning in, let me tell you real quickly what's in the solution. All of our hair care products, you have our wrapping set. You're going to put about 2 ounces or 2 tablespoons. You have our Unlock, which is our miracle hair detangler, #1 seller. We ship this stuff all over the world. I mean, literally all over the world. And then you have our laminate. So I'm going to put a little laminate on the actual wig because it's going to act like a fake cuticle. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put it in a bottle. So remember, if you get you a Beauty Cutie bag, hold on one second. If you get a bag, you get all of the products inside of the bag, and you get an actual bottle, and you get a feather comb. So you get well supplied, everything that you will ever need ordering any wig from us. When you get that glam bag, you are well stocked with anything that wig is going to need. Is in that bag. I got some people, they buy 5 bags. For real, for real. Okay, so we're going to take the solution. You see how it's a little kind of all over the place, a little, it's not frizzy, but it's, you know, it's kind of, some synthetic wigs does have static in it. So this is how you calm it down. This is how you calm down the frizz and it looking all crazy. You're not going to put a lot because you don't want to make the wig too heavy. You just want to be able to control the wig. All right, so here you go. There's the Y2 comb. Here we go. Let's get another look. Let's take it back. Take it back. But we're going to try some other styles on this blonde one because when you have color, it tends to pop out a little bit better. Look at there. I love, now out of all the colors, I got to tell you, the blonde one, I think, between the blonde one and the jet black just looks amazing. Okay, so there you go, right there. You see how you got that, the ends, on the ends, you have that a little bit lighter. So now you got another little look. And everything this blonde does, yes, ma'am, honey. Everything the blonde does, the black can do, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this completely down. I'm going to use my mirror, and I'm going to cut that excess hair. When I say excess, it's not a whole lot. It's just a little bit of, oh, I don't think you can see that. Can y'all see that? It's just a little bit of hair. I mean, a teensy bit is like a teaspoon of hair. Okay, you're going to cut that just to kind of sharpen that one side right there. All right. So now pull it down. This is one look. Okay. This one is sharp. I love this color because with this color, I'm just going to pull this completely down in my face, then take it back. Okay. Take it down and then take it back. I want you to play with the wig. Now I'm going to use the comb. Let's get another look out of this. Let's pull it back. I'm actually going to pull it back a little bit off of my head. Somebody says gorgeous color. Right, Kelly? The color is absolutely gorgeous. I see Des taking one down. That means somebody has actually purchased this little baby. Y'all, this is cute. There's nothing about this wig looks like a wig. I did see one more potential style that this wig can offer me. Look how cute this is. All right, now watch this. I'm going to take her a little bit more. All I did, now look, I just gave y'all another look. And all I did was take my finger and go like this. Boom, boom. Trees. Is you looking at this? She's not even looking. Trees, isn't this cute? For real. No cutting, no thinning. She is ready. Now, this is what you call ready. Somebody says how much? This wig is so affordable. Oh, the glam bag is $49. This wig is $44. But if you go online, thank you, Kelly Jackson, so much. Y'all got to make sure y'all keep throwing up those stars. If you like what you are seeing, you know a friend would benefit. You know you don't wear wigs. You just happen to just like us because we is cracking you up as we try these wigs on. And it's almost fascinating to see the potential of what all these wigs have, right? See, you never knew a wig can have 3 and 4 and 5 looks. It's all in your ability to take the limitations off of yourself, come up out of your comfort zone, get out the box. Don't get out the box. Bust that box up and elevate your look, sis. Come on, you have a right to look and feel amazing, right? Then give me a call right here at 248-546-4247 or go straight to the website. This particular wig is called Freda. She is 310 or 310. She in black 1B is $39.99. This wig, when it comes in color, it is $44. That is still an amazing deal. Imagine when you used to go to the hair salon, you get your hair washed, conditioned, shampoo. For all my beauticians that are on here, please forgive me for saying wash. Shampoo, you get your hair shampooed, conditioned, trimmed, cut, set, put back under the dryer, come out, cut style. For some of y'all put pieces in, glued the pieces in your hair, or for some of you, you weaved it in. Honey, I just saved you about 2, 3, 4 hours of sitting in a salon. That day is over. Just life has changed for everybody. This is an amazing option. What's the name of the wig? Gail. You probably have about 5 of them already. Gail, this is a 310. This is Freda. She looks different because we decided to do something a little bit different. So instead of taking her back, as you see me always do every show, if I use this wig, you see I just combed her down. So this time I combed her down. Other times I've usually taken her back. So if you don't like a lot of hair in your face, it's okay, sis. You don't have to. All right, so there you go. It was one other look that I did see. I wanted to pull some hair down in the front, but then I wanted to use some of my hair. Give me a soft bang. So I'm going to take some hair down like this, about like that much. Okay. And then I'm going to take some hair to the back. So I'm taking some to the back and some to the front. Now watch this look. So if you have alopecia, I'm going to take the hair that I left in the front and I'm going to put that behind my ear. Okay. After I put that behind my ear, now I am going to use this pretty part right here. Hold on. There she go. Let me see. Oh, yeah, that's cute. Let's give it some air. Now let's just take it all the way wild. Let's just see what other look can we stumble upon. Let's see what we got here. Take her all the way back. Let's shake her. And then just have fun with her. Let's just see which way she can go. There you go. All I'm saying is don't get stuck. Don't let the wig wear you. You wear the wig. Stop being scared. Do not be scared. Thank you, Cynthia, for letting Barbara Green know we are on live. Y'all are sharing. If we called your name, please give us a call at 248-546-4247. Now let's see how pretty this blue can be. I'm going to use same method. My feather comb, I'm going to take it back. You got to stop waiting around to see if people going to like what you like. If you like it, wear it. You have that right to be beautiful. You have that right to have the audacity to elevate your look, to be better. This is so cute. Okay, hold on. Let me pull my ear down. I'm going to situate this so I can get this side right. This is the back. Now watch this. I'm going to use my comb and I'm going to take her back all the way like this. Okay. How do I order? Jackie, give me a call I got one line available. If you like this blue wig, we do not have a whole lot. So give me a call. Remember, this is her first time. This is her debut. So we had it in purple. Now we're showing it to you in blue. Look at that. That almost looked like ocean waves. That is so pretty. Watch this, y'all. I'm going to take it and I'm going to take it down like this now. I'm going to take everything. I've been taking everything to the back. Now let's bring everything to the front. Let's swing that around. Let's take that around like that. Let's see how that looks. What you think? Then let's take this. Oh my God, are y'all serious? Y'all about to buy this blue out on me? Somebody said, I really, really like that. Hey, Carla Brown, thank you for watching. Listen, am I being a blessing? Somebody says, yes, honey, that blue is fire. Love it. I love it. I want it in blue. You elevate the look how you want to. Now let's take it completely, all the layers out. Ooh, child, that is some kind of pretty.
Hey, 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 big wig. Hey, 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 Lehost.